Okay, so good afternoon again. We will start today a new chapter. Okay, I told you earlier also like there is different scales of preparation of drugs in homeopathy. Okay, so we talked about what is the specialty and originality of homeopathic pharmacy. Okay, like which is very specific to homeopathy. Okay, means you can tell that is not found in any other system all over world. Okay, this is the scaling. Okay, means in other system there is a material dose is there. Okay, we take any medicine in Ayurveda. Okay, in Unani, in Siddha, okay, in allopathy, okay, Chinese, Mesopotamian, okay, different other medicines, Roman medicine, okay, all the doses are in material doses, okay, and two system is there. There is no medication. Already I told you, okay, that is yoga and naturopathy, okay, but in except all these things, okay, only homeopathy is there. Their material dose is very different form, okay, that is the different scale of preparation. Okay, we are not telling any medicine in like milligram, gram, kilogram. Okay, you take this much milligram of drug or this much gram of drug or kilogram of drug. Okay, we are not the just means taking any medicine in the amount. Okay, like we just take medicine in the form of potency. Okay, potency, so that is the different scales we have. Okay, this is scaling system is not there in any other system of medicine. Okay, and how this scaling system came, this when you will study trituration you will understand. Okay, what happened first of all, Dr. Hahnemann, he already in 1790 when he was translating Cullen's Materia Medica. Okay, he got one information that cinchona bark experiment when cinchona bark is given to any person, okay, healthy person, he will get all the symptoms of malaria. Okay, like symptoms may be there may be fever with rigor. Okay, then there is abdominal cramp, there may be hearing, okay, discomfort. Okay, there may be vertigo. Okay, so many symptoms are there. What is the symptom of actual malaria? When you get a bite of any type of plasmodium. Okay, that may be falciparum ovale, or that may be any other form of the malarial parasite. Okay, so what he did first, he was using the crude drug. Okay, crude form means he took like belladonna, or he took cinchona. Okay, and crude form just juice part, or in crude form what is told by Cullen. Okay, Dr. Cullen. Okay, he was the one of the professor of the one medical school. Okay, at that time medical school. So as that form he was taking. Okay, but sometimes he found because of this crude drug. Okay, what crude drug he is giving. Okay, by that there is aggravation of symptom, means increasing of symptom. Okay, sometimes if any patient has malaria, okay, he will get more symptom. Okay, more problems are there. Okay, means you can tell this is the poisoning effect is there. Okay, so he started diluting that thing. Okay, and after diluting, he giving some threshold energy. Okay, so all these things happen slowly. Okay, all about this you will study in organon also. Yeah, how we just gradually changed his potencies, how he changed from crude form to potentized form. Okay, so that in that he developed some scaling system. Okay, how will you calculate homeopathic medicine in the form? Okay, like I told, allopathic ayurvedic medicine, just when you see any bottle or like any type of things, okay, you get there by percentage in the syrups. Okay, or by the amount. Okay, like this much milligram of this is there in this particular medicines. Okay, so we normally get in our syrups like volume by volume, or sometimes it is in ml or percentage. Okay, but inside medicine, except mother tincture, is the potentized form. Okay, mother tinctures are not in the potentized form. Okay, so remember this different scales are there, and our scaling or our calculation of homeopathic medicine is very different from the other system. Okay, like if you will tell belladonna or nux vomica 30, it is not 30 milligram, 30 kilogram. Okay, it is something else. Okay, it is diluted 30 times. Okay, about this we will study in particular topics. Okay, trituration process or succussion process is there. Okay, so this is a one scaling system. You have to remember different scales of preparation of drugs. Okay, now how question will come? Okay, how questions are coming? Okay, sometimes question directly comes. Okay, write different scales used in homeopathic pharmacy, long question. Okay, sometimes question may come from one part, like they write in detail about the centesimal scale. Sometimes question comes like, write uh, this decimal scale in detail. Sometimes question comes like write LM potency in detail. Okay, so like that. Okay, so this is the different scaling system. Okay, so now we will go to history part, or like which how it developed, this scaling system developed. Okay, so about that. Okay, the scale of potentization. Okay, how it is scaling was there. So scales of potentization, trituration. Trituration is done just now. For now, you understand. Okay, we will go to concern chapter. Okay, scales of trituration is decimal and centesimal scale. Okay, means trituration is only for those things which is not soluble in alcohol or distilled water or water. Okay, liquid vehicles which are not soluble, for that we go for the trituration process. Okay, so decimal scale and centesimal scale, two scales are used in that process. Okay, now if scales of Shakarsan, okay, which are soluble in liquid vehicles. Okay, vehicle already we have studied liquid vehicle. For them there is three process: decimal scale, centesimal scale, and 50 millisimal scale, that is also called as a LM potency. Okay, in market many times it is known as a LM potency. Okay, when you go to market, we give LM potency of this like that. Okay, so now, okay, remember this: for trituration, decimal and centesimal. For succussion, there is decimal, centesimal, and 50 millisimal scales are there. Okay, this is the scaling, means this is the how you will give the medicine to your patient. Okay, how much, like this is the calculation of the medicine. Okay, calculation or the amount of medicine what you are giving. Okay, today all three scales are used, though the 50 millisimal scale is used relatively seldom. Okay, today all three scales are used, though 50 millisimal scale is used relatively seldom, means sometimes it is used. Actually, this 50 millisimal scale was introduced very late in homeopathy. Okay, it was already given in sixth edition of Organon by Dr. Hahnemann. Okay, but it was, I told you earlier, I think, okay, because of some issues, sixth edition was published very late after his death. Okay, he died in 1843, but just after very a long time it was published late. Okay, and that's why nobody was knowing about the 50 millisimal scale. Okay, and even after 1950s, okay, 1960s, 70s, it was introduced in India. Okay, and nowadays still it is not so much popular. Okay, 50 millisimal scale in northeastern part of India, still now you will search 50 millisimal potency medicine, it is not so easy to get in like northeastern part. Okay, not so much popular, doctors are not so much using this 50 millisimal scale. Okay, remember this. But nowadays slowly, because of this online purchase process, okay, you can get everything online. Okay, but if you will go to any shop, because doctors are not writing. Okay, because they are not so much aware of this 50 millisimal scale potencies. Okay, they are not in like so much used to this potency in their prescription. Okay, so in France, the centesimal scale is exclusively used. Okay, in France, this scale was not so much used. In English-speaking countries, predominantly centesimal scale is used. In Germany, on the whole, the decimal scale is very much popular. Okay, this is as per country part. Okay, but in India, decimal centesimal scale is used too much. Okay. Inventor. Okay, how is the decimal scale? How this decimal scale works? Okay, decimal scaling is, so the scale was introduced by Dr. Constantine Herring. Remember it, not Dr. Hahnemann. Okay, this scaling system was introduced by Dr. Constantine Herring. Okay, who has invented this centesimal decimal scale? Hello.
Dr. Constantine Herring.
Okay, remember this Dr. Constantine Herring. Okay, because this is asked many times in competitive exam ki who invented. Okay, and he is also called as the father of American homeopathy. Okay, he is called as the father of American homeopathy, and for Organon it is so very easy to remember his death and birth and death: 1800 and 1880. 80 years he was alive. Okay.
Okay, sir.
Then German-born physician, okay, but he is immigrant to USA, means America, okay, to potentize snake venom. He is very famous for that lachesis medicine. He prepared lachesis medicine. Okay, when you study in Materia Medica about lachesis, you will find the prover is Dr. Constantine Herring. Okay, then Versus Mayer gave a more detailed description about the scaling in 1835. Okay, here what is the ratio in this scaling? 1:9. Remember it, don't forget. It is the crux of this scale system. Okay, decimal scale. Okay, when you are in dreaming also, this should come in your mind. Decimal scale 1:9. 1 is the medicine part, 9 part is your vehicle. Okay, means when you wake up, things will come in your dream, or you wake up suddenly, things should come in. Okay, the decimal scale 1:9. Okay, means it is the main correct part of that decimal scale. Okay, anybody will ask you decimal scale ratio is 1:9. Okay, one part is the medicine, 9 part is the vehicle. Okay, that may be solid vehicle. Okay, liquid vehicle. Okay, that may be semi-solid vehicle, but 9 part is vehicle, remember it. Okay, means if nux vomica, one part nux vomica crude form, 9 part you can use liquid like water, you can use alcohol. Okay, like dispensing alcohol or dilute alcohol. Okay, so that is 9 part is vehicle, remember it. Drug strength, okay, 1/10. Okay, normally drug strength is calculated by, okay, just write, if you have notebook there or like anything, okay, write formula to getting drug strength is drug, okay, crude drug divided by crude drug plus vehicle. Okay, so how much it will be? 1 divided by 1 plus 9 is equal to 1/10. Okay, so that is the drug strength. We will study this in different chapter, don't take tension. Okay, we will study about this drug strength formula in other chapter. Okay, but how it came, drug strength 1/10, how it came? 1, okay, that is the crude drug substances divided by crude drug plus amount of vehicle you are using, that is 9 part. Okay, means it is ratio. Okay, if you are using 10 ml of drug, okay, 90 ml of vehicle you have to use. If you are using 100 ml of drug, 900 ml of vehicle you have to use. Okay, so this is the ratio, you have to go in this ratio. Okay, then principle. This scale is based on the principle that first potency should contain 1/10th part of the 1/10th part of the original drug, and each succeeding potency should be contain 1/10th part of the previous potency. Okay, so this is the principle, or this is the you can fundamental principle of this scale. Okay, means suppose, okay, just actually when you will study about trituration, you will understand better. Okay, suppose nux vomica, okay, you all, I have told you earlier, nux vomica crude form we will take. Okay, now you have to make 1x potency, 1x. Okay, one part nux vomica you will take, suppose 1 ml nux vomica you will take. Okay, crude form, 9 ml of alcohol you will take. Okay, then after that you have to make 2x. What we will do, you will take from this, okay, what you made 1x, from there you have to take one part again, and 9 part of again you have to take the alcohol. Okay, that will be second x. Okay, about this we will understand in trituration chapter. Okay, just remember everything. Okay, drug material and vehicle will be 1:9 ratio. Okay, be careful for that. Okay, because later on when in exam you write this ratio wrongly. Okay, designation, the decimal potency is denoted by suffix the letter x, remember it. Okay, if in your materia medica or like any medicine you are purchasing from anywhere liquid, okay, if you see there 1x, it is 1x means it is a decimal scale potencies drug. Okay, on the number, okay, including the potencies, that the first potency is 1x, the second potency is 2x, and so on. Third potency is 3x, fourth potency is 4x, fifth potency is 5x. Okay, like that. So remember that this is one scaling system in the preparation of drug. Okay, scaling, that is x decimal scale. Okay, decimal scale is just denoted by x. Okay, then the application of this scale, decimal scale, is applicable in old method. Okay, established by Hahnemann for the preparation of potencies. Okay, most of the drug nowadays you will get in the market, that is the centesimal scale. Okay, but decimal scale is still popular, you will get medicine in market. Okay, but the decimal scale was previously used by Dr. Hahnemann for the process of potentization. This scale is usually used to make the lower potencies or strength, especially up to 6x potency. Okay, 6x. In modern method, new method, the preparation of mother tincture is it is only scale that is used. Okay, when you are preparing mother tincture or you are preparing next medicines, okay, this process is used. Okay, preparation of by this decimal scale. Okay, then preparation of potencies under this scale or that decimal scale. Okay, liquid potency. Okay, just example is giving how will you prepare. Okay, one example is given. Liquid potencies, how will you prepare? A well cleaned and round file of 15 ml capacity is taken. it is fitted with a new valved cork. Okay, one cork you have to use. Okay, the cork is marked with the name of the potency 1x. This practical also we have to do in our laboratory. Then the cork is removed. Next, name of the mother tincture or the solution to be potentized is checked. 1 ml of the tincture or the solution poured in the file. Okay, means 1 ml, suppose we are taking Nux vomica, 1 ml Nux vomica will be kept inside that. Okay, check 1 ml of the tincture solution is prepared, is poured in the file, and then 9 ml of rectified spirit 60 op. Okay, or dispensing alcohol. Okay, dilute alcohol, dispensing alcohol, okay, is added to the file. This 1/3 of the file is remain empty. Okay, always remember some part of the file should be empty. Okay, so that when you are giving some downwards stroke, it should be just shake. Okay, this liquid should shake up and down. Okay, 1/3 of the file remain empty. Okay, 2/3 will be filled. Okay, for the succussion. Then the cork, it is caught, and then 10 downwards strokes are equal strengths are given. Okay, if you remember, I have shown you that video. Okay, there how they are giving the downwards stroke, big bottles, and just they are putting like this. Okay, this is the downwards stroke. Different way of downwards strokes are there. Okay, so that the
Yes, sir.
one way they are doing this type of downwards stroke. Okay, uniform 10 downwards stroke, remember it. Okay, uniform means equal strength of 10 downwards stroke you have to give. Okay,
Okay, sir.
then this stroke of equal strength should be given. Okay, then 1x is now ready. What you did, you take one part of the, like mother tincture, Nux vomica, calendula, anything, 9 part dispensing alcohol. Okay, 2/3 you kept empty of that file. Okay, then you uniform, you have given 10 downwards stroke. Okay, like 10 downwards stroke you have given. Okay, and after that you just, what you got is that is the 1x of that particular medicine. Okay, it may be Nux vomica, it may be calendula, it may be any other pulsatilla. Okay, the 1x is now ready. A level of the wall to the file is pasted, making the name of the medicine with potency 2x. Okay, next you can prepare 2x. Okay, same process. Now you have to take 1 ml from the 1x. Okay, what you prepared, a 10 ml of 1x, now 1 ml of crude form and 9 ml of dispensing alcohol. Okay, from there now you take the 1 ml of 1x. Okay, then what you will do, 9 ml of dispensing alcohol again. Okay, then all succeeding potency are prepared under the scale by mixing one part of the preceding potency, means back potency, previous potency, and 9 part of the dispensing alcohol. And you have to every time give 10 downwards uniform stroke. Okay, 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, and 10. Okay, just keeping process is very peculiar that we will talk in concern chapter. Okay, so remember 10 uniform down stroke. Okay, this is just a mechanical method. Okay, means like we are doing by our hand. Okay, but when you go to any type of pharmaceutical company, same process is done by the automatic potentizer machine. Okay, this machine is connected with the computer, and they just put some strength, power, how much power that will give and how much stroke that will give, and particular by computerized process. Okay, machine automatically do give the 10 downwards particular stroke. Okay, because that is the large quantity of medicine you are preparing, and that is not possible by the human hand. Okay, then all succeeding potencies are prepared under the scale by mixing up one part of the preceding potency, previous potency, to the next part of the dispensing alcohol. Okay, just one part, 9 part. Remember for decimal scale 1 each to 9. Okay, this is the principle of this one. Okay, decimal scale. Don't write anything else when you are writing your exam paper, and don't tell anything to your examiner. Okay, when you are giving a viva. Okay. Then solid potency, how will you make solid potencies? This practical is also there in your practical notebook. Okay, for making 1x potency, 1 part by weight of the crude drug is triturated with the 9 part by weight of the sugar of milk. Okay, what mortar pestle we have. Okay, what we will do, 1 part, suppose, okay, 10 milligram we are putting in the that mortar, okay. Then 90 part, okay, 90 milligram we will put the sugar of milk and we will do the trituration process, okay. This is the trituration process, already you know, okay. So that same thing is also done in the pharmaceutical company by the process of machine, okay. That is not done by the human hand, but this is the principle, okay. So we are in homeopathic pharmacy laboratory only is understanding the basic principles, okay, basic principle, okay, because that basic principle is already followed in the big pharmaceutical companies, okay. But here we have to study the basic principles which is given by Dr. Hahnemann, okay, that is written in Organon of Medicine book and that is written in our homeopathic pharmacy books, okay. Okay, then next is each okay, then trituration with 9 parts by weight of the sugar of milk for the period of 1 hour, okay, that you will understand 20 minute 20 okay, 3 times you have to do. The here downward stroke will not be there, okay, this stroking will not be there because this is not a liquid potency, this is the solid potency, okay. So here trituration, okay, remember this, okay. Then next is the period for 1 hour, including 3 stages, each coming of 20 minutes. That again we will study in this trituration chapter. Okay, if you are not understood, there you will understand. Okay, and dividing the 9 parts of the sugar of milk in the 3 equal parts. Okay. All the following potencies are made by taking 1 part by of the preceding potency with the 9 parts of the sugar of milk. Trituration is done up to 6x potency, then 8x liquid potency is prepared. That is called as a jumping potency, and about jumping potency we will study in concerned chapter. That is the our trituration chapter. Okay, so till here you have any doubt, because we will go to next potency, that is centesimal. Okay, so in decimal scale you have any doubt, anything you want to ask in this? You have just raised your hand. What, Lakintis? By mistake, or you want to ask something? Hello? Anybody has any question? Anything you want to ask? Anamika? Neha?
Yes, sir.
No,
Any
sir.
question? No question? Okay.
No, sir.
So next we'll go to centesimal scale. Okay, next scale is the centesimal scale. Okay. Now here you see, okay, who is the inventor? Here inventor is Dr. Hahnemann. Okay. Centesimal scale, the scale was introduced by founder of homeopathy, Samuel Hahnemann, in 5th edition of Organon. Okay. Remember this, okay, not in 6th edition of Organon, okay, 5th edition of Organon, okay, of Medicine, 1833. When published, 5th edition of Organon was
You won't join
1830.
here,
In
this class.
in section
Yeah.
270, okay, in section 270, okay,
It got stuck. No, that's it.
okay, in
Okay,
section
my
270,
network is not good.
okay.
See, you're not even talking.
In section 270, remember it, okay, in 5th edition, okay, this is the 6th edition. Here you will not get, okay, in 5th edition of Organon, he has introduced about the centesimal scale, okay, remember it, centesimal scale he has introduced in the 5th edition. And comparative study of different editions you will study in Organon of Medicine, okay, not in my subject, but you will study in Organon of Medicine, okay, remember this. So what is this principle? The scale is based on the principle the first potency should convert 1/100th part of the original drug, and each succeeding potency will contain 1/100th part of the preceding potency. Okay, this 1:9 potency, Dr. Hahnemann was not so much satisfied. What he did? He got more dilution. Okay, 1:99. Okay, 1:99 means 1 part will be medicine and 99 part will be vehicle. Okay, that much he was just done. Okay, 1 part by the volume or weight of the drug, okay, previously by potency, and 99 part by volume or potency of the weight of the medicine. Okay, that will be the part. Okay, so just remember here 1:99 part will be there. Okay, what will be the designation, or what will be the how we will write it? This scale is denoted by simply the suffix, the numerical after the name of the drug. Okay, that is the Apis mellifica 3, means 3C. Okay, normally centesimal scale is denoted by C. Okay, capital C. Okay, C for cat. Okay, Apis mellifica 3 means, okay, sometimes it is normally comes by normal numerical. When you have a any medicine bottle, it is only numerical is there. Okay, that is the centesimal potency. Okay, if it is a decimal scale, X will be written, remember it. But if nothing is written, just any numerical is written, it is a centesimal potency, remember it. Okay, Apis mellifica 3, Apis mellifica 6, denoted by third and sixth centesimal potency of the Apis mellifica. This may be denoted by 3C also. C means centesimal, okay, and 6C. C means centesimal, okay. So always centesimal potency is denoted by C, okay, remember it. But this kind of denotation is more bright, more bring confusion with C, which means 100, okay, 100. Okay, do you know the Roman numericals? Okay, Roman numericals, do you know?
Yes, sir.
100 is denoted by C, na? You remember C,
C.
okay. Okay. Like V
C,
denotes,
C.
yeah, V denotes for what? 5, na? Denote V.
Yes,
V,
sir. We denotes for 5.
5. L denotes for
50.
50. Okay, so you know this. Okay, so C denotes 500. Okay, so like 100 as 2C means 200th potency. Okay, don't do like that. This is wrong way. Okay, C means centesimal scale. Somewhere it is written 2C potency means only 2C. It is 200, not 200 potency. Okay, so this is the wrong thing. And in some pharmaceutical company, they write like this. That is the wrong way, and that is okay. Like this HPL, Homeopathic Pharmacopoeia Laboratory, they just like seize this type of medicine. Okay, this type of medicine, labeled medicine, come in market that is seized by the HPL, Homeopathic Pharmacopoeia Laboratory, and by the drug inspectors of particular state. Okay. So, okay, 2C, okay, 200th potency, not like that. 2C means 2C, okay, second potency, okay. Then some of these potency strengths are denoted by Roman numericals. Example 200, okay, like 200 potency CC, okay. C stands for, okay, means 100 into 100, okay. So not like this, 1000, M for 1M, okay, 10M, okay, 10M, okay, 50M, okay, 50M, or LM, okay, 1000M, CM, 50,000M, DM, 1 lakh M, okay. So like that, okay, these are actually wrong process, okay. But sometimes you will find this type of denotation also, okay. Some are legal, okay, and that is automatically you will get in the your HPI, okay, Homeopathic Pharmacopoeia of India. You will get that the which are original denotation of homeopathic medicines, okay. Application of these scales. What is the application of this scale? This scale is applicable in old method established by Hahnemann, okay. For the process of potentization, this scale is used to make higher potencies or strength. Centesimal scale has been discarded by the new official pharmacopoeia due to the uniformity of drug strength. In the new method, only decimal scale is used. Okay, again in new method some problems are there, but still in India we are preparing, okay, this decimal scale and centesimal scale. You will get all the medicines in both the scales, okay, Hahnemannian scale and that this centesimal scale and LM potency, this decimal scale, okay. So C also potency you will get, and LM this X potency also you will get in market, okay. Preparation of this potency, okay. How will you prepare these potencies? Okay, liquid potency is a well cleaned round file of 15 ml capacity is taken. Same thing what we are doing in the like X, okay, like decimal scale. Then 15 ml file we have taken. Then it is fitted with the velvet cork. Already we have done. Then cork is marked with the name of potency, that is 1, okay, 1 or 1C, okay. Then the cork is removed. The next name of the mother tincture or solution to be potentized is checked, okay. Like if suppose again we are making calendula or nux vomica, that should be there, okay. Then what we will do, 1 ml of the tincture solution is poured in the file, and 99 ml of the dispensing alcohol is added to the file. What is the change? In decimal scale there is 1:9, okay. In centesimal scale, okay, the scaling process is changed, okay. The scaling process is changed, and that is the 1:99, okay. 1:9 and 1:99 ml of dispensing alcohol is there, is added to the file. Thus, 1/3 of the file remain empty for the succussion. Then the corks and 10 downwards stroke equal strengths are given. Again, same process. Okay, we are giving the 10 downwards stroke of equal strength we are giving. Okay, what we have done in the decimal scale. Okay, same thing we are doing. Okay, then the first potency of scale is now ready. A label on the wall of the file is pasted, marks the name of the medicine as a potency 1C. Okay, 1 or 1C. Okay, that is the centesimal scale. Okay, now how will you prepare the succeeding potency? All the succeeding potencies are prepared under the scale by mixing 1 part the preceding potency and the 99 part of the dispensing alcohol. 1 part of the decimal scale, okay, and 99 part of the next potency will be there. Okay. Then solid potencies, for making first potency 1 part by weight of the crude drug in trituration with the 99 part by the weight of the sugar of milk for the period of 1 hour. Okay, same process. Okay, trituration we have to use the sugar of milk. Again, 1 part 1 gram or 99 gram. Okay, here ratio is 1:99. Okay, if 10 gram, then that will be 999 gram. Okay, that 990 gram. Okay, that will be 1:99 ratio. Okay, ratio should be maintained. Okay, then 20 minutes. Okay, then decimal scale and dividing the 99 part of the sugar of milk. Okay, 3 equal parts, 33 plus 33 plus 33. Okay, that sugar of milk will be divided in the 3 part as in we have done in decimal scale. For the second potency, 1 part of the first potency is triturated with the 99 part of the sugar of milk, and we have to do the trituration for again 1 hour. Okay, this practical we will do, then your concept will be more clear. Okay, then trituration is done by the third potency and the fourth decimal scale is prepared. Okay, so this will be done. Relation between the decimal and centesimal scale of the potencies. Okay, so this relationship we will see next time. Okay, what is the relationship between the decimal and centesimal scale? Okay, but what is the difference? Ratio. Okay, in decimal scale there is 1:9 and centesimal scale ratio will be 1:99. Okay, so remember these parts and go through this. Okay, if you have any doubt, we can discuss it later on. Okay, so till here, any doubt, anything you have not understood, anything is like that?
No,
Hello?
sir.
No, sir.
No,
Sir.
na? Okay, so now here we will stop. Okay, then we will see. Okay, I will tell you about the next classes when we will keep. Okay, so should we stop here?
Okay, sir.
Okay, and who has network issue, anything? Okay, just I will upload in that YouTube. Okay, there you can see. Okay, and just you subscribe there. Okay, so that if you will, because of network you are not getting. Okay, at least when you will get network at that time you can see in YouTube. Okay.
Okay, sir.
Okay, then. Okay.
Okay,
Good day.
sir.
Good day.
Thank you so much, sir.
Okay.
Sir, there is a personal question, sir.
What?